Hey guys, what's up? I'm back in another video and today I'll be showing you how to make this Pokemon cards holder out of paper so you can store your loose Pokemon cards. So let's get started. Following materials are so take your Pokemon cards and then take a piece of paper. Leave it right over here like this, leaving some space above and some space behind. Mark it with a pencil. Now, using your ruler, mark it all the way down right here. And then, using your scissors, you need to cut that out. It should look something like this. Now, you need to take your Pokemon cards and keep it right here. As I told before, leaving some space above and below. And you need to wrap it around the cards and then stick it with tape. After you have sticked it with tape, you need to make the edges sharp. Wait, let me show you. After that step, using your scissor, you need to cut it right over here. After you have cut that, it will look something like this. Now, fold this inside until you can touch your cards. And then you need to put some tape right over here. So making that now making the base, the cards won't fall from this side, and this is the opening and this is the bottom. Now after you have done that, you need to stick a plain paper, square of paper here like this, putting some tape right over here so this will look better, so you can make some designs or something you want on it. So next step is you take a strip of paper and then cut it out. Cut out a small portion, not a very big one, like this. And then using some tape, cut out a small piece of tape and then you need to stick it here. Make sure that it can go inside right over here and then fold it right over here too. That looks better. So you can leave your cards holder just like this, normal plain, but I'm going to decorate it by making a Pokeball here and writing Pokemon deck. So what I'll do is I'll use this bottle cap to make a circle then I'll take the cap of the glue bottle to make a smaller circle. Like this, and then using a ruler I'll put a line like this. Now a Pokeball is ready, and I'll just write here P-O-K-E, Pokemon, D-E-C-K. Now let's color it. Tada! There you have it, your Pokemon cards holder.